Let's start today's video. The video is very important, guys. And in this particular video, we'll learn about the join. Join means when I will try to combine the two tables, that time I have to use the join operation. So let's focus on the particular video, guys. Here, first of all, let me print one table, and the table name is like membership. Okay, let me print that table. See, guys, here there is the user ID and there is the membership ID, there is the group ID. Try to remember the user ID only. How many user ID is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, guys, here there is the another table. So here, what is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 user ID is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, as well as there is the user 1. Let's run this particular table as well. Here, how many user ID there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11. Yes or no, guys? Yes. Now, I'm trying to join two tables. One is the membership and another one is the user ID. Another one is the user ID. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means based on the user ID, I'm trying to join. If I'll try to join the two table, then what will be the output? First of all, let's see the code. First of all, I have taken the table. What is the table name? Membership table. And here I have given the membership table name is like T1. And I have to perform the inner join. Inner join means always it will take the common value. Okay, always it will take what, guys? The common value. And here, what is the common value? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 is the common value. Now, so what will be the output? 1, 2, 3, 4. Based on what? Based on the user ID, definitely. So here it is my first table, the membership, and I am trying to perform the inner join. If I try to perform the inner join, obviously the common value will be your output. Okay. Inner join user 1 T2. T2 means your table 2. That is the user 1. On. On means based on what I am trying to join? T1.user_id equal to T2.user_id. Based on user ID, I am trying to join the two table. If I'll run that particular comment, then what will be the output? Let's see, guys. The output will be definitely see the user ID only 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, right? Yes, the value is like duplicate. Why? Because in our table, the duplicate value was there. But instead of that 1, 2, 3, 4, any value is there? No. No, guys. Why? Because it will take only the common element. I hope you understood about the inner join. Inner join always it will take the common element. In our case, it is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what is the common? Obviously 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why it has taken only 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you understood this particular concept. Now, there is the concept of right join and left join. What is the right join? Right join means it will take the right part as well as the common part. Okay, so what is the right join here? What is the right table here? The membership or the user one? The user one, right? The user one is the right. So in that user one, what is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11. Okay. So if I'll write that particular comment, what will be the output, guys? Obviously, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11. and the common element means 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 8 element and the common, that means the 1 2 3 4. When I will take means that right part, that will be your right table, and what I'll write in that left part, then it will be your left table. It is like that. Now guys, similar way, tell me one thing. If I do the left join, then what will be your output? Obviously, what? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Let's try. Instead of right join, write here left join. And what will be the output, guys? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes or no? Yes, definitely try. See here 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? And the common element obviously 1 2 3 4. I hope you understood the left join means it will take the common element as well as the left side what element is there. The right join, it will take the again common element, and in right part, in that right table, what element is there. And inner join, what it will do, it will take only the common element. It will take only the common element. Now, we have successfully done right join, left join, inner join. Now what we'll do? We'll discuss about the full outer join. Okay. So what is the full outer join, guys? If we'll write the full outer join, so it will not work. It will not work. It will give the error because in that MySQL there is no direct full outer join. So what we can do instead of that, first of all we'll perform the left join and we'll perform that right join. And in the middle of left join and right join, we'll perform the union. Okay, see here. So this is the code, guys. And full outer join, obviously what it will do? It will take each and every value. It will take each and every value. Okay. In MySQL, there is no directly full outer join. So we have to do in that way. First, we have to do the left. In that middle, we have to mention the union. Then we can write the right join. I hope you understood the concept of left join, right join, full outer join, and inner join. The last is the self join. For the self join, what we'll do? For the self join, uh, we will not do with that another table. We will not take the another table. With that same table, we will apply the self join. How we will apply the self join? Here, again, I am trying to run this particular command. Here, there is the user ID and the contact number. See, guys, very carefully. Where the user ID is 1, the contact number is the 11. Okay. Where the contact number is the 11, where the user ID is the 1, then the contact number is the 11. Where the user ID is like 11, what is the contact number? 8. Okay, so here I will try to perform the self join on the based of on the top of user ID and emergency contact. Please try to understand carefully. So here just I'll write select star from user 1, and here I have given one name, that is the T1, and we'll write join. Join means only the self join. Again the user 1 T2. With that same table I am trying to perform the self join, not other table, in that particular table only. So user 1 T2 on based on what? T1 dot user ID equal to T2 dot emergency contact. Now let's run. See guys, uh, here When the user ID is 11, what is the emergency contact number? 8. That thing only I have told before. See, where the user ID is 11, what is the emergency contact number? 8. Okay, so in that similar way, again if I'll run, where is the user ID is 1, what is the emergency contact number? 11, right? User ID is the 3, what is the emergency contact number? 1. User ID is 3, what is the emergency contact number? 1. So in that way, I have performed the self join. Now guys, where the self join is important. The self join is important in this particular case where you are trying to find out the employee ID, okay, on the same company. You are trying to find out the employee and employee's ID and who is the CEO of the particular employee or who is the technical manager of the particular employee. Got it, guys? So that is the concept of join. Hope you understood that particular video. Please try to revise it because this is the very important concept. Okay, guys. So here one example I have given. Find out all employee and their respective manager. What I have told just now. So in this particular case, the self join is very important. Bye, guys. Take care.